Hi, my name is Jennifer Kranchak. I'm an online hypnosis practitioner and I help people in the medical, surgical, and healthcare fields live happier, healthy lives. So today we find that a lot of surgeons and doctors and people who are running tests as specialists find that in the healthcare world, there is a massive backup of patients waiting for months, even years in some cases, for their treatment that they're requiring because there's just not enough equipment or people to do the job. And in surgery, you're finding that you have a schedule that just goes on and on and on and it never ends. It just seems to be a constant booking of people coming in to see you. And what ends up happening is you have to meet a quota a lot of the time where you are dealing with so many patients a day, a week, a month, and even in a quarter. And if you don't make that quota, sometimes there's a reprimand. And it starts to, again, take a toll, emotional toll on you. You start breaking down. You feel like you are working on an assembly line. People are coming and going, and you're just basically processing as many people as you can, as many cases as you can get through. And it opens you up for error, professional error. You start getting tired and you start losing that human connection with your patients because you don't have the time that you need or you want to spend with an individual, to talk to them, to hear them out, to have a connection with that person on a better level or a deeper level. And in some cases, some people even say on a almost spiritual level, you have a connection because you're caring for these people in a way because they need your help and you're helping them live a better life or even saving their life in some cases. And it can really, really bring you down. It's something that when you are overburdened, you lose that sense of empathy sometimes because you are just trying to get through your day because it doesn't matter how many hours you work, you never seem to catch up on the work that you have to do. And it just seems to go on and on. Again, it's like a processed assembly line. And again, it's exhausting and it wears you down. You go home, you're either sleep deprived or you're too exhausted and you can barely get yourself out of bed in the morning. And working these kind of hours, and a lot of the time it is long hours or you're even on call for this type of work where it's affecting your home life, it's affecting your friends, and it's affecting your children, your spouse, or your partner. And you just don't even have the time to be alone by yourself. And when you are alone by yourself, you're too tired to even function. There is no pleasure outside of the working environment. And you forget that outside of the working environment, life can be really amazing and great and vibrant and fun because you get stuck in this pattern of normal depression or feeling low or stressed. And that is the normal for a lot of people who work in the healthcare field. That is their natural normal feeling all of the time. And to even just go outside, like if they get a vacation, it's great to go out and then you realize, hey, this feels pretty good. A lot of the time I'm working, I forget what it's like to be outside in the sunshine and go for a nice walk in my spare time. They forget what that's really, really like. A lot of these people who are working in healthcare, especially if you're in surgery, you're making some good money and that's fair. You earned it. You're driving a really nice car, but at the end of the day, you are having a hard time enjoying what's going on because of that exhaustion and that assembly line work with the toll that it's taking. With the hypnosis that I do, specifically for people of the healthcare community, I help you find a new level of relaxation, peace, and inner profound discovery of how you can readjust and rebalance your sense of self so that you can actually find the joy, even if you are on an assembly line type of work situation and your schedule is nonstop and you're running on your feet all day, every day, all the time. How to find those moments, and in those brief moments, how to recuperate, how to recover and feel refreshed and rejuvenated, and allow yourself to find those moments of joy and calm and peace within yourself so that you can have that clarity of mind in order to handle a job that is high stress, where critical thinking is extremely important, and to help people find that connection with the cases that they're working and the human quality of the cases that you're working, and find that sense of empathy to, make a human connection again, and remember why you do what you do. And it's not just this mindless job that's numbing after a while, because it's just the same thing day in, day out. So if you're interested in the kind of work that I do that helps the healthcare community, please check out my website for more information. There's also a booking link for my Calendly booking page. I work online, specifically over Zoom, for complete privacy and for ease of use. And it doesn't matter where in the world you are. And if you'd like to book a consultation with me, please check out that Calendly link. I'd be happy to talk to you about your individual needs. And of course, my social media and my YouTube channel has a array of resources for you of all the types of hypnosis I do and the kind of work that I help people just like you with. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the next video.